Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, you decided to pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and you're looking for a case to protect your beautiful device. Look no further, I decided to pick up and review the Spigen Tough Armor Pro pen case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you don't know what the pen means, it's just this one. It has a spot in the hinge protection to carry your pen, so that way you don't have to carry it separately or lose it. It will always be in your case. I'm gonna say this again, like I've been saying on the video, Spigen makes some of the best cases for the Galaxy Z lineup. That's including the the flips and the folds. They make some of the go-to cases for me and other people too. So I had this case for the Fold 5 last year, so I decided to pick it up for, the 6 and review it for everyone. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? What about lip protection? We also make sure the adhesive strips on there, how easy it is to get the case off, how strong the kickstand is, make sure it's not going to break on you, but also make sure that you can wireless charge with the case on there, and just the overall feel of the case. Does it add bulk to your phone too? But you can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. If you know Spigen, you know the packaging, nice and simple. Let's see what you get. You got the back, and then you got the front with some more adhesive strips. So here's the front piece. Now here is the back. Bam. One thing I noticed, this is going to add some bulk to your phone. It's going to make it a little bit wider, which we will see. Let's take off the adhesive strips really quick. One thing I noticed, it doesn't have the adhesive strips back here. Don't know why, but it is just so small right there. So make sure it's on there. Make sure it fits good. Make sure the adhesive strips are on there. Then this one don't really have strips, just fits in there. Alright, so do you get lip protection? Yes, you do. You have a lot too. So if you place it down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. You do have some camera protection there, but not much. But you do have some. The Vine rockers are easy to press. Fingerprint scanner is easy to work with, doesn't get in the way. Also, the edge button right there is easy to get to. Like I said, it adds bulk. Look how much wider your phone is now. This is how wide people want the display to be. So it adds some bulk to it. The little pen here, it goes just right in there. Close it, you won't lose your pen. Now this only works with the Z Fold 5 pen, the updated one from last year. If you have the Fold 4, the bigger one, it won't fit in there. The kickstand feels pretty sturdy too. Not bad. You have some foam protection here for the hinge, so it won't scratch up your beautiful hinge. Opening it up, everything stays on. It is on there good. Oh, definitely on there. Now, let's see. Kickstand, you can work it like that. If you want to watch it like that too, you can. It's a little bouncy though, but I think the best bet is to watch your videos like that or leave it like that. So the hinge works pretty good. Now, the thing that people complain about, it covers up your display. There it goes, covers up your display. So if you're using it to take some selfies, that's the problem you're going to run into. You do have the Spigen logo there. It is hard plastic, so if you drop it, you don't have to worry about breaking up your phone. Also, because that indentation there makes it a lot easier to get to. Tough armor case. What y'all think? I probably will be rocking this one as my daily. You can wireless charge also without any issues. Man, so again, this case is check off a lot of boxes. You get camera protection, you have the lip protection there, It helps you carry your pen. You have a kickstand. It fits good. It's nice and solid. It does add bulk, so I mean, everything lines up at the top and the bottom also. So it checks off a lot of boxes for you. Does give you a little bit of protection there too for lay down. But it checks off a lot of boxes. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.